Okay, there. I think we're done with the plastic things. Did you just cover up your sister? Just that. Scampers says, "This is mine, get off mine." Oh, Scampers likes her new blanket. I'm just going to lay on it and make sure Penny can't get on it. Scampers laid claim to hers. Right on, Scampers. Is your eye okay? I did poke you. I'm sorry. Scampers. Hey, is your eye okay? Is your eye okay, sweetie? I'm so sorry. My bad. Oh. New blankets. Yay. Whoops. Well, if you wanted yours to stay folded, too late. Oh dear. New blankets are so much fun. Who knew? Here. Blanky happiness. Yay! Scampers, you're so silly. Here's yours, Penny. Whoa! You guys have crazies in your heads. It's because they're soft. I know, they're very soft and fleecy. I know, you guys like soft. Pillow whores and blanket whores, that's what you guys are. Oh! Yeah, the green one's going in the trash. Are you all happy, Scamps? Yay!